that I want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you said.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Kisslove hair. All right, this is the same packaging that I received last time. All right, okay, we're gonna get into this. The cinnamon. I'm so excited. Let's get into the goodies that we got. I got a pair of HD invisible wig caps. I got a rat tail comb, a branded Kisslove elastic band. Okay, I got this cute Christmas themed goodie. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love seasonal goodies. And then I have this edge brush and comb. Ooh, I got some press-on nails, which is very much, you know, very Christmassy. Oh my gosh, I got another pair of press-on nails. What? My nails been looking really bad for the past couple of weeks, but listen, these are cute. I got like these multicolor shimmery strands. You could put this in your wig if you want. It's really cute. I got, you know, one of these clips, great for sectioning your hair. I got a pair of eyelashes. I got this razor, which is great for cutting your excess lace on your wig. And that's everything in here. We got quite a bit of goodies and I'm very impressed. When I tell you this is perfection. Now this right here, guys, is a 13x4 lace front ash blonde body wave, 26 inches wig. Now I know how much you girlies love a good blonde look for the holidays or just like special occasions. I feel like within this month a lot of special occasions come up, and you know, if you just want to come out and look like a body, I feel like this color is always a go. As I said, this is ash blonde. I love the fact that it's ash blonde. I love rocking a good ash blonde color, and it's body wave. It feels so good. This is 250% in density, by the way. Kisslove come out panda one and them step out panda one, yeah. It definitely feels so good. It is pre-plucked but lightly, so if you want to go in and pluck it more, you could, but it lays really flat, and I'm gonna show you that you could go ahead and still wear it as is, straight out of the package. Now this is a HD lace front as well. It looks so good. Everything is already customized for you. The cap size is a medium cap, has a total of 3 combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps in the very back here. All right, and you can just make it as tight or as loose as you want. Look at that. It is perfection. It is so full. It's really soft. Yes. Now it is processed, so it's a little bit on the coarser side, so please note that, okay? But it does feel good. It is 26 inches, as I said, when stretched. Color job is fire. Amazing. 10 out of 10. I can't express enough how much I love the color job on this. Like the fact that it doesn't have any yellow to it, like you don't have to worry about going in. The fact that you don't have to worry about going in to mute down, like to tone it or anything, is just so lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the excess lace on the sides. I'm gonna go in with my Red by Kiss lace bond spray. And then I'm gonna just lay everything with my blow dryer on cool air, as you guys know. So I'm just gonna speed through this portion, okay? This is how we're looking, guys. This is how we're looking. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a center part. I'm getting minimal shedding for sure. Gotten a couple strands, so please note that the hair is very much processed, so it is expected. So I can say I never tell you that it was shedding. Okay, it's not excessive, so that's what I'm getting. That's how it looks. And so the hair is very soft, but it's not the silkiest, like it's on the coarser side. And it's understandable because it had to undergo, you know, all this processing. Like, can you imagine? I'm also going to refresh the curls, so I'm gonna get my curling iron for that. But to lay the top, I'm gonna get my hot comb. You guys know the drill. Nice and pretty top, you know. This is giving New Year's Eve. I'm just gonna take my time and get it laid and refresh these curls. Okay, guys. Ooh, it's giving special event. Yes, look at that. Gorgeous. It is gorgeous, nice and full. The color is giving. I absolutely love it. I just did a whole pullback thing. Kisslove hair. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Okay, it's gonna be the first link down there. Also, you can check out the specifications of this wig as well if you're interested in getting this for yourself. This is so gorgeous. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video over here. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.